Hello, my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this budget-friendly poster board using pegboards from the Dollar Tree. I've been wanting to do this project for some time, but it was so hard for me to find pegboards at my local Dollar Tree. I remember one day I went to 3 different Dollar Trees and I could not find pegboards, so I had to go online and purchase them in bulk on the Dollar Tree website. So it came with a pack of 24. I got 12 black and 12 white pegboards, and for today's project I'll be using 16 pegboards. So I got the poster boards from my local Walmart, because they're a little bit more sturdy, and I'm going to be hanging this on the wall, so I wanted it to be a durable foundation. And they're about $3 and some change, and I used 4 of the poster boards. So 6 of the large pegboards will fit on one poster board, and I use some wood blocks to adhere the pegboards to the poster board. Now, the reason I used the wood blocks instead of the adhesive backs that are sold separately with the pegboards was just to save on cost. I was able to just use one box of the wood blocks for $1.25 versus buying 16 of the adhesive backs for the pegboards. So what I did is on each corner of the pegboards, I adhered the wood block on the corner of each pegboard using my hot glue gun. I adhered a wood block on each corner of the pegboards, so you really couldn't see it from the front of the pegboard. Just like this. And once they were all adhered, I went ahead and glued them on to my poster board. And I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like button, because we post videos weekly here on the channel. So I completed that process on all of the 6 pegboards and adhered them to my poster board. It came out really nice and sturdy, and definitely a budget-friendly project. And I'm just showing you how you can see a little bit of the wood through the front of the pegboard, but I just went in and painted that with a little bit of black acrylic paint. So 2 of the poster boards, I just placed 2 pegboards on each and left some space to add vinyl and my cutting mats for my Cricut Joy. And in the top 2 poster boards, I have a total of 12 pegboards, so that way I could add more additional crafting supplies. The little hooks here, I just used more wood blocks and some book rings to create a little hook for my vinyl. And with the extra pegboards that I had left over, I decided to do a rotating pegboard stand. With the same concept, I added the wood blocks to the back of the pegboards and adhered them together. And then I made a little stand to add some vinyl and put more crafting supplies on my stand. I even glued on some magnets that I got from my local Dollar Tree, so that way I can clip on, using the magnets to clip on some more crafting supplies, and even my slap bracelets that I use to keep my vinyl rolls intact. This turned out great, a very functional way to add more crafting supplies in my craft room and get it more organized, and best of all, it was budget friendly. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot, and we cannot wait to see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!